Today in this session, we will try to learn about how to remove a property from JS object. In JavaScript, everything is an object. These objects are entirely different from what we have in C++ and Java. Here in JS, JavaScript object means it is like a key and value pairs. A key is always a string and value can be anything. It might be a string, integer, a boolean, function or an object. Now let me create a small example in order to denote an object here. So this is an object. Object name is obj. Here we don't have any key and value pairs. We can say this is an empty object. Let me check this in the console. Console.log obj. If you can see here, let me save this file. Okay. Now you can see we have an empty object here. For suppose if I want to put something in this, if I want to add some values to this, I can write obj message equals to hello. It means we are trying to add a property to it. Now let me check the same thing in the console. Console.log obj. If you can see here, we got the same value. It means this object is holding a key as a message and a value as a hello. Now for suppose is this only the way where we can put an object? We can also do the same thing using dot. Let me write the same line using dot. Obj dot message dot I'm trying to use dot here. I'm trying to put the same thing. Let me put hi here so that we can understand the difference. So if you can see here, we got hi. It means we can add an object in this way. But we have a question like how to remove a property from an JS object. For example, see here, I'm trying to write variable o equals to, the object name is o here, and I'm trying to write some property 1. I just have a property 1 here. Here the object name is o. We can say here the key is prop and value is 1. In order to delete this, we can use something called a delete operator, which is used to remove these key values. For suppose let me write something here. I'm trying to write console.log. I'm trying to check whether this object has a property. Object has own property. Here we are trying to check own property. What is the own property? I'm trying to write prop here, prop. So if we can see the statement of line number 23, we will get true. It means prop is there in the object o. If suppose I have used delete here, in order to remove the property from JS object, we can use delete o dot prop, delete o dot prop, and I'm trying to use the same statement here. Again I'm trying to check whether the object has this property or not. See, line number 23 has written as true, but line number 25 it has written as false. So this is about for a object how to delete. But make sure whenever you are trying to delete a property, delete an object key value, we should not use this for the predefined one. We should not use this for predefined JavaScript objects because it will crash your application. If you are trying to perform this delete operation on the predefined JavaScript objects, your application will crash. Next one. So let me take a little bit complicated example where it has all the things like object, key and value page, a function, and a nested object, so that we can understand it again. Here the object name is student. If you can see, the object name is student. I'm trying to write the name as Johnny. name as Johnny, age as 28, hobbies I'm trying to take array here, teach, read. I just want to take two properties as of now. Next one, I'm trying to take a key here as a greet. In this greet I'm trying to take a function. I'm trying to take a function here. In this I'm trying to take function. I would just want to make sure that same example we will have everything inside an object. We will take an array, we will take a function, we will take a nested object, and we will try to perform the operation. Now console.log Johnny tutorials, Johnny tutorials. We have taken a nested object here. Now let us take a nested object. In the sense, inside this again I'm trying to take let me take some score like React 80, React 80, Angular 10. I'm just trying to take some score for this. So we can say here the object name is student, key value, and the key is hobbies here, and the values is an array. Key is greet here, and the value is a function. Key is a score, and the value is an object here. Now can we perform the same operation to remove the property from this object? Yes, we can write something like this: delete. What is the object name here? Student. I'm trying to write greet here. Greet. What does it mean? It is able to remove the line number 31. That is, it will try to remove the key value greet and the value function here. So if I want to check this, we should able to check display. So I'm trying to write student. So indirectly it is trying to delete. Sorry, it is trying to delete it. See here, line number 34 somewhere we have it. Okay, now we will get it. We have missed. Sorry, let me save this one. We have taken a function here, and yes, we got it. So can you see here, we don't have something called greet here. In this object we have age, we have hobbies, we have name, we have score, but we don't have something called greet. For suppose if I want to delete the same, if I want to delete I just want to delete score. Now we can also delete in this way, delete, as we have done. Like, in order to push some value in the object, we have taken a square bracket notation or dot notation. In the similar way, here I have taken dot notation. Can we use a square bracket? Yes, we can also use a square bracket where student score. I'm trying to delete a score here. Now let me check console.log of student. So these are the multiple ways where we can delete the property from an object. See here, that is a key and value pair. Now if you can see, it is deleted. So the only left over is age, hobbies, and name. Age, hobbies, and name. These two are deleted from this object. So this is how we can perform the delete operator in order to remove a property from an object. You can use a dot operator, or we can use the brackets in order to remove the property from an object. Like, if you have any queries in this, you can just comment below this video, and you will find the complete JavaScript sessions and React projects in the description part.